Hit record, and so now I'm recording. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your class for today in math. I'm going to be showing you today how to access in Google Classroom your math assignment for today, and it is actually coming from the Math Focus Workbook, which you at home don't have, but here at school we do. You will be doing this electronically on your device at home unless you really want to print it out. You're welcome to do that, but you should be able to do this on any iPad or tablet or computer. I have opened up Franco Harris's Gmail right now, and from this, because I'm on a computer, I have the waffle that I can use to get into Google Classroom. And so what I would recommend is that we start by going into Google Classroom. And once we're in there, we find the classroom that we belong to, which is grade 5, 2022-2023. And then there's the stream. Jeffrey, talking about water bottles? Oh, I'm recording. I shouldn't be talking about that right now. So we're going to go into classwork, and then I'm going to, I can click on view your work, which gives me a rundown of all the things that Mr. Cron has assigned to you, or I can scroll through all of these, and if they're grayed out, it means that I've already submitted them. If they're not grayed out and they're kind of bolded, it means that those are things that I still need to be working on. Now, there is a new math assignment, Math Workbook, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. That's the one I want. I'm going to click on View Your Work. And these are all the things that have been assigned to Franco Harris, and you can tell that there's some stuff that's missing for him, and that's an easy way for you guys at home to check to see whether you're caught up on your homework or not. I'm going to click on Math Workbook, and I want to view the details of this. And here is the assignment. It says, watch the instructional video by Teacher Cron. That would be me. He'll show you how to make a copy of the assignment electronically so you can do it on an iPad or computer. And then the work is do the assignment and submit it online. Now remember, Google Classroom is new and we're learning. Teacher Cron will understand if you're having difficulties. There's nothing here I don't want to mark as done because I haven't done anything. This is the assignment right here. And it says Math Workbook, Chapter 1, and if I hold my mouse over it, it says Chapter 1, Lesson 2, and then it says Google Slides. And what this is going to do, if you click on it, is if you're using an iPad or an Android tablet, it's going to open up the Google Slides app. I'm working on a computer, or same thing as a Chromebook, and if I click on it, all it's going to do is open up a new tab for me, and it looks kind of like this. This is the assignment, and what I can do is I can zoom in here and I'll be able to adjust things. However, at this time, it says view only. It says view only because this is Mr. Cron's, that's me, that's my file, and you cannot adjust it or change it or do anything to it as it is. If you're working on a tablet, an iPad or an Android tablet, there should be 3 dots at the top right corner of your page, and you'll click on that and you'll get a little menu that looks kind of like this when I clicked on File. Make a copy. I want to make a copy of this because this file right now is Mr. Cron's and you need one for yourself. So I'm going to click on Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and when it gives me this little window here about naming it, I want to name it with my name. Now, because I'm using Franco's account, I'll call it Franco Math Workbook, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. For now, just leave it in Google Drive. You guys won't have very many things in there anyways, and we'll have another class on organizing later on. And I'm going to click Make a Copy. Now that I do this, what you can see up top is that I've got a new tab. One is the original document, and one is the copy. And the copy is one that I will be able to modify. So I just closed the other one. And now that I'm in this one, I can actually make this bigger by using the zoom button. If you're on a tablet or an iPad, you can do the pinch thing so that you can make it bigger or smaller. I'm on a computer, so I need to use the zoom button. And now that I'm in this, what I'll be able to do is select the select button, which is this little arrow thing. And once I do that, I can actually go into this, and I have put text boxes on each of the lines for giving your answer. What is the pattern rule for each pattern? Well, make sure that you're always reading the at-home help. The at-home help tells you exactly how to do the assignment and what is expected of you. For those of you that did your Delurtimer quiz and got it back, you'll notice that if you did not use the start at and add something statement, then it would be considered incorrect. Here it says underline start at 10 and add 1 each time. That's what the format should be. And my first actual answer here, what is a pattern rule for each pattern? 1, 3, 5, 7. I'm going to click on the text box, and once I'm in it, I can now type, or your keyboard should pop up if you're using an iPad or a tablet. If you're using a Chromebook or a computer, you'll just use your keyboard for this. So start at 1 and add something. I'm just going to leave it blank so that I'm not giving you answers, but there is a text box for each of these little lines here. And all you need to do is tap or double tap on them, and you should be able to put your answer into it. The only thing that might get a little bit messy here is these ones here in this little table. They're just very close together. You'll figure it out, and then there are answers down below as well. So let's say I finished this assignment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Google Classroom. And what I can do is, for those of you on an iPad, you're just going to hit the home button twice. Click, click, and then you should be able to select Google Classroom. And now that I'm here, I want to add my assignment because it's now finished. I don't want to create a new document. I want to use one that I've already got. Now, I didn't say save anything in Google Drive, but the awesome thing about Google Slides, Google Docs, and any of the Google apps is that as soon as you create a document, it will actually save in your Google Drive. So you will never lose anything. I'll click on Google Drive, and under Recent, this is my Franco Math. You'll notice the other one is still there, but I don't want to submit that because it's blank. I'll select this, add it, and now I can double check. I'll click on it to make sure. It says start at 1 and add, and that is something that I have that I double checked before, or that I know that I added. So this is my completed assignment. I'll close this tab, and then what I'll do is I'll click turn in. Once I've done that, my assignment is finished. I can actually go back to here, classwork. I can view my work, and it will show that it has been turned in. I no longer need to worry about that particular assignment. If for some reason you have made a mistake, and let's say you dragged your text box somewhere else, you can delete it, or you can make sure that you look for this little text box symbol right here, and you can draw your own, okay? Oh, I can't do this because I've already submitted my assignment. So then you'll have to unsubmit it and then take it back again and then redo it there. But you can always use the text box if you are creating your own assignment or editing your assignment. That's it. Good luck, and hopefully if you have any questions, email me back, and hopefully you guys are feeling okay. Bye-bye.